Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer customer data with Shopify Customer Privacy tools, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring customer data with Shopify's Customer Privacy tools, log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the Settings section located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on Customers to access customer-related settings. Locate the Customer Privacy section within the Customer's settings. Here, you will find options related to data handling and privacy compliance. Review the data types that you can manage under Customer Privacy tools. Make sure you are familiar with local privacy regulations such as GDPR or CCPA before proceeding. Select the customers whose data you wish to transfer. You can use filters to narrow down the list of customers based on specific criteria. Once you have selected the relevant customers, look for the Export option in the top right corner. Click on Export to initiate the data transfer process. You will be prompted to choose the file format for the data export, such as CSV or JSON. After selecting the desired format, confirm your choice to begin the export. The system will prepare the data for download. This may take a few moments. Once the data is ready, a downloadable link will be provided. Click on the link to download the customer data file to your device. Make sure to store this data securely to protect customer privacy. Consider informing the customers about the data transfer for transparency. If you are looking to transfer data to another platform, follow the import guidelines provided by that platform. Always ensure you are compliant with data protection laws when transferring customer information. After successfully transferring the data, review your customer privacy settings regularly. This will help you maintain a high standard of data management and protection. Keep all stakeholders updated on data handling practices to foster trust. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.